Alright, back to work on this dash here. And what I did was I went and I epoxied the voice box to the dash using epoxy, and you can see it, the standoffs. I just did it about an hour ago, so it's already getting dry to the touch. And yeah, that's on there pretty good. And then I cut out some carpet padding. You know, you can buy the carpet padding at, you know, Lowe's, Home Depot in a roll. You know, I think it's like 20 bucks for a roll. And yeah, use some all-purpose spray adhesive. That's what I used. It just sprays on and let it tack. It takes about a minute, and then you stick it right on. This stuff works really good. It's been around for like, what, 90 years, I think it said. Permatex. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get this if you guys are curious where to buy this stuff, because this really works good. You can see it's on there pretty good. If I try to pull on it, it's sticking. So I just put one coat of that on the other side, and I actually just put it on the padding itself. Alright, so now when you install this thing, you won't have rattling and, you know, a bunch of noise coming out of your dash, because this thing is pretty quiet and it's nice and thick. I think I'm using like a, I don't know, looks about a ½ inch or so. So yeah, just do your cutouts for your speakers if you're using them. And yeah, just use some scissors and cut around. And cut it a little bit shorter on the edges, that way you don't see it. And let's flip this thing over. And take a look at the voice box there. Pretty good. And they do have filters you could put here, red ones. But I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I have the filters here, here, and here. But I kind of like the look without the filters. Later on, I can cut one out if it needs it. I think it did have one before that I cut out, and I just kind of like, I think I epoxied it in place. But yeah, dash looks really good. Now, I haven't wired it up yet. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it, so I'll have to do that at a later time. Because I gotta move in a couple days. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to that. I'll try though, but I just don't think I'll have it in my time schedule to hook this up, to wire it up. And again, this one's not installed, but when I do, it's just gonna be with stick-on. I think Velcro would work too. Probably even better than double-sided tape, because Velcro you can stick there and you can take off whenever you need to, and it has some give to it. But yeah, for now, I'll try it with some double-sided tape and see how it does. I think it's going to be okay. But who knows, with the sun hitting on it, it might start warping off. So the Velcro might be better in that case. But yeah, that's the dash. Alright. Came out real nice. Paint job came out real nice. And I have the pod over here. Okay, there's the pod unit. Custom made buttons by a friend of mine named Greg. So he made those for me quite a long time ago. And that's it for now, guys. You can see I got the hubcaps here, a couple blackouts, rear deflectors. I got a Season 2 bumper there, my headliner for the T-top, some material, some PMD material that I got left over. If anybody needs some PMD material, it's for the back of the PMD seats, you know, that piece. I ordered way too much material. I got enough for probably 3 or 4 backs of the seats. So if anybody needs this material right here, email me. Because I need to get rid of this. I really don't want to throw it away. It's good material, and I got tons of it. So let me know if you need some. Email me at nightrider5000@gmail.com. Alright, and that's it. This is Jacob, nightridershop.com. Take care.